Hello dear students, welcome back to the NCERT science class of 9th standard. Dear students, in the previous class we have studied about the cell and cell organelles, different cell organelles. We have studied about the different cell organelles, in which we have studied the very first one, that is cell membrane, which is the outermost cover of the cell. After this one we have studied the cytoplasm, which is a liquid matter present in the cell. Then after this one we have studied about the nucleus. It is the master organelle of the cell, which is present exact at the center of the cell in case of animal cell. In case of plant cell, it is present at the periphery. Next, dear students, after this one we have studied Golgi complex. The satellite structures helps in the excretion or expulsion of the waste material. After this one we have studied the endoplasmic reticulum, network of pipes which are arranged in the cytoplasm, which helps in the transportation of material from one place to another place, and also the types of endoplasmic reticulum that we have studied. Next we have studied the lysosomes, and after this one we have studied the mitochondria. Isn't it? The different cell organelles we have studied in the previous class. Now we are going to study the rest part of this topic, that is cell division. Dear students, when we get birth, our height was only 1 feet or 1.5 feet. Yes? And this height is going on increasing along with the age, along with the time. How the height is going on increasing? How the growth occurs in the living organisms? The growth occurs in the living organism, which is because of the cell division. See what happens, dear students? Here a single cell, here a single cell, if it is here a single cell with a nucleus. What happens? We have studied in the cell theory, that is the cell, all living organisms contains a cell. Then after this one, the cell originates from the, cell arises from the pre-existing cell that we have studied. Here, new cells are formed from the pre-existing cells. This cell will divide. This cell will divide and form the two new daughter cells. That is called as the division. We can say that cell division. Here, dear students, a single cell divides itself into two daughter cells, two or more daughter cells. That type of division is called as the cell division. Isn't it? Next, dear students, there are two types of cell division. In your textbook has mentioned there are two types of cell division. The first one is mitotic cell division. Second one is meiotic cell division. Here, first one is mitosis or mitotic cell division. The second one is meiotic cell division. Mitosis, meiosis also we can say that. Mitotic cell division, meiotic cell division also. Mitosis and mitotic, both are same. Meiotic or meiosis type of cell division. Meiosis, I will write meiosis. Mitosis, meiosis, or mitotic, meiotic. Same, isn't it? Here, dear students, mitotic cell division. Here, dear students, division of a single cell into two or more numbers, and these cells will grow and again they will go for the division. Like that, the number in the living organism, number of cells in the living organism is going on increasing. Yes? Here, in case of mitotic cell division, the different stages are there. In case of mitotic cell division, different stages are there. That we can say the stages of mitosis cell division. There are two types of cell divides into two or more daughter cells whose having the same number of chromosomes as that of the parents. See here, suppose dear students, here one cell is here with suppose 46 number of chromosomes. In human being 46 number of chromosomes is present. In human being cell contains 46 number of chromosomes, and that will divide and further two new daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes. Here the mitotic cell division is a type of cell division in which a single cell divides into two or more daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. Such type of cell division is called as the mitotic cell division or a mitosis cell division. Next come to the meiotic cell division, that is mitotic cell division. Come to the meiotic cell division. Here what happens, dear students? A single cell with 46 number of chromosomes, that will divide into two or more with reduced, that is half of that parent's chromosome. See here, you have got the difference. In case of mitotic cell division, two daughter cells are produced with the same set of chromosomes as that of the parents. In case of parent cell, what happens? 46 number of chromosomes, that will divide and form the two new cells with the same number of chromosomes. Here in case of meiotic cell division, the two daughter cells are produced with the half set of the parents cell. It means that is called as the reduced cell division. Here reduction of chromosome occurs. That is also called as reductional cell division. Reductional cell division. Yes? Understood the difference between the mitotic and meiotic? Mitotic cell division means a type of cell division in which a single cell divides into two or more daughter cells with the same set of chromosomes as that of the parents. Next, meiotic cell division, it is a type of cell division in which two daughter cells are produced after a division of a single cell whose are having a half set of chromosomes as that of the parents. Means compared to the parents, half set of reduced chromosomes are present, reduced number of chromosomes are present. Such type of cell division is called as the meiotic cell division. You have to write in your textbook. Isn't it? Next, come to the stages of mitotic cell division or mitosis cell division. Both are same, mitotic or mitosis. Same. Yes. Next, the mitotic cell division or mitosis cell division contains different stages. The first stage is prophase, the second stage is metaphase, the third stage is anaphase, fourth stage is telophase. See dear students, there are four stages are there in the mitotic cell division. The first one is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Isn't it? What are those? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are the four stages of mitotic cell division. If a cell has to divide by mitosis, it has to go by these 4 steps. If a cell goes on dividing, then it has to go by these 4 steps. Here, the first one. See here what happens in case of first step. Here in case of first step what happens? We'll see the first step, that is prophase. In case of prophase, what happens? The first cell, before going to cell division, cell prepare itself for the division. That is called as the interphase. Later we will study in higher classes, isn't it? Next here what happens? The prophase, first in prophase, what happens? In case of prophase, nucleus will disappear. See, suppose here nucleus will present and chromatin network is present here. Yes, here centrioles are present. Yes. When prophase begins, slowly the nucleus will disappear. Then chromatin network only is present, nucleus will disappear. And next, again what is going to tell us? The nucleus will disappear, the chromosome condense and becomes the visible. These chromatin network, here the spindle fibers are there, that is centrioles are there. These chromatin network undergoes coiling and forms the chromosomes. You know the chromosomes, structure of chromosome. It forms the chromosomes. Yes, like that it forms the chromosomes. We can define like that X, like that forms the chromosomes. First, chromatin network is present in that is uncoiled in the nucleus. When prophase begins, the nuclear membrane starts to disappear, and also the centrioles starts to form the fibers. The next, see here what happens? It starts again in case of prophase. Next what happens? After disappearance of the nuclear membrane, it undergoes coiling and forms the chromosomes. The chromosome will be appears. Next what happens to dear students? Spindle fiber emerges. Spindle fibers means here the centrioles are there. They start to form the spindle fibers like a thread-like structures. The first, when nucleus disappears, the spindle fibers they are present in pair. One will remain there only, the other starts to move in the opposite direction. Here two are there. The one will remain here only, another starts to move in the opposite direction, and they starts to form the spindle fibers. Like the spindle fibers they will form. Yes, the centrioles starts to form spindle fibers. Like that spindle fibers will form. Yes, the centrioles form the spindle fibers. Next, dear students, prophase is what? Pro means first, prophase, phase means stage, prophase is what? Next, dear students, come to the metaphase. Meta means middle. Here what happens? Meta means middle. Here what happens? Meta means middle. Whatever the chromosomes are present here, scattered. Everywhere it is scattered. The chromosomes comes at the middle. Middle of the cell. The chromosomes comes at the middle of the cell. Understood? chromosomes comes at the middle, the spindle fibers. In 8th standard, we have started about the chromosomes ago. They form the spindle fibers. Yes. See here what happens. In case of metaphase, all chromosomes comes at the middle of the. That's why middle of the cell. And next, the spindle fibers which are originated with the help of centrioles, they are connected to the centromere or kinetochore also we can say centromeres. See what happens here, students? This part, see that chromosomes when you are going to see the chromosome here at the middle, what happens? A pair of plate-like structures are there. The chromosomes are like chromosomal arms. Here the middle that is called as that is centromere. Centromere or kinetochore we can say kinetochore. Kinetochore or centromere. Centromere. Yes? Kinetochore or centromere. Here the spindle fibers comes and attached to the kinetochore. It is present in double plate form. Yes? Kinetochore and starts to drag the centrioles starts to drag these centromere or the kinetochore. Here whatever the kinetochore is here, it starts to drag itself towards themselves. See, this centrioles starts to drag the pore plastids. Next are the chromatids. Next here the lower centriole starts to drag the lower chromosomal arms. That what happens here? At that time what happens? The centriole is here. The chromosome that will be detached from one another. The chromosome will detach from one another. See, because of that spindle fibers. Spindle fibers. Yes, that's all about the. See what happens here? Kinetochore. Spindle develops completely and spindle attaches to the kinetochore. Kinetochore, the spindle fibers. These spindle fibers connects to the kinetochore and it starts to drag. See what happens? That will be teared up or detached out from one another. Two chromosomal arms that will move downward and two chromosomal arms move upward. That will be teared from the middle. But cell will not still it is not teared. Next, dear students, come to the anaphase. Anaphase. Here, in case of anaphase, far. See here, the breakdown of plastids takes place. Here, see, anaphase begins here. Anaphase. See here what happens? The breakdown of plastids. These are called as plastids. Two pairs of plastids are present. Sister chromatids are pulled towards the opposite pole. That is what happens? Breakdown of plastids. Here breakdown takes place in case of anaphase. Breakdown takes place. What happens? Here the plastids will breakdown takes place. Next, what happens? They will pull themselves and that will reach to the. In case of anaphase, that is cell also gets elongated and here what happens? The centrioles, the plastids moves towards the pole. Yes? Then after this one, telophase. Chromosomes See, in case of telophase, what happens? Telophase is the last phase of the mitosis cell division. Here the chromosomes arise at the opposite pole, decondense. See here, decondense in the beginning. What happens? The cell is having the chromosomes present in the decondensed form, not in the coiled form. Decondensed loosely. Then whatever these chromosomes are here, see what happens? The cell with, see what happens here? Nucleus starts to appear slowly. These whatever the chromosomes are there, whatever the plastics are there, they starts to uncoiling. And next what happens here? Nuclear membrane starts to appear. Then after this one, what happens? The mitosis spindle breaks up. Whatever the spindles are there, these are the spindle fibers, they start to break up, and next it forms the nucleus. Then after this what happened last? That is cytokinesis. That is, cyto means cell, kinesis means breakdown. Here what happens? In the telophase, slowly what happens? The cytokinesis breakdown of cell cytoplasm is going on to starts. Slowly the cleavage or the breakdown in the cell cytoplasm, it starts to go on. Yes, here what happens? The cell cytoplasm starts to disappear. It means the cell cytoplasm starts to, or cell wall starts to break down. See what happens here? Like that it forms. This one is the nucleus will appears, and later what happens? The two daughter cells are produced. With the uncoiled or decondensed nucleus, isn't it? First cell in case of prophase. Listen here, very interesting it is. You are not understanding? Ask me later. See here, a cell is here. The cell, what happens? Undergoes mitotic cell division. First it prepares itself, then that is called as the interphase. After the interphase, what happens? Cell, but it increases or it becomes elongated. Next, centrioles will move at the one pole. And next the centrioles starts to form small spindle fibers, and next they form the spindle fibers and starts to move in opposite direction. The spindle fibers are present in pair. They are present in pair. They are present in pair. And these centrioles, they starts to move in opposite direction. One will remain there only, another will start to move down. See, this moves, and next nuclear membrane starts to disappear. Nuclear membrane starts to disappear. Next, whatever the chromatin network is there, that undergoes coiling. And forms the chromosomes in the X shape. Yes. Then next what happens? They form the spindle fibers, and these spindle fibers that will move towards the centromere or kinetochore, which is present. That is called as the centromere part. The spindle fibers, they drag. You must have saw that electric pole, how they are fixing the electric pole, means by dragging it on both the sides with the ropes, like that. You might have saw that tug of war also. It means it starts to pull means the spindle fibers are attached on the kinetochore. Then next metaphase will begins. Here in case of metaphase, what happens? Metaphase, all the chromosomes, all the condensed chromosomes comes at the middle. Meta means middle of the cell with opposite centrioles, and they further, whatever the spindles are formed from the centrioles, they will attach to the centromere of the chromosomes. Yes. Then after this one, anaphase. In case of anaphase, what happens? In case of anaphase, the plastids are there. Whatever the plastids are there, they tear from the middle. The upper plasmids that will move upward and down. The remaining chromosomal arm are the plasmids that will move downward. Yes. The next, they will move upward towards the centrioles or single centrioles. Then that whatever the pull chromosomal arms, they will go under, that is uncoiling. They are coiled. Again they will go uncoiling. Then they begin the telophase. In case of telophase, what happens? Slowly nuclear membrane starts to appear. In case of chromosome, around the chromosomes are the chromatin network, and next slowly, that is cytokinesis is going to takes place. Next, the cleavage occurs. After this one, what happens? The complete two new daughter cells are formed. Next, dear students, we will study the second one, meiosis. Dear students, in case of mitotic cell division or meiotic cell division, here what happens, dear students? Reductional cell division happens. Here, meiotic cell division, it is a type of cell division in which is two daughter cells are produced with half set of chromosome as that of the parents. See what happens here, dear students? That also form the same stages or the same phases or the same steps how the mitotic cell division occurs. See, it also includes the stages like first one, prophase. The second one is metaphase. The third one is anaphase. Fourth one, telophase. Yes, this also includes again prophase 1, prophase 2, prophase 3, like that. Prophase 1, prophase 2, metaphase 1, metaphase 2, anaphase 1 and anaphase 2. Again we study detail about the meiotic type of cell division in higher classes, isn't it? Here only we will study, that is meiotic cell division. It is a type of cell division. It is a type of cell division. It is a type of cell division in which two daughter cells are formed from a single cell with half number of the chromosome, with half set or half number of chromosomes compared to their parent cell. Compared to the parent cell. Here I will tell you, a cell, suppose a cell is having a nucleus with two set of chromosomes. that is 4 chromosomes. It undergoes prophase. In case of prophase, what happens? In case of prophase, what happens? Slowly nuclear membrane will disappear. Next, nuclear membrane will disappear, and whatever the chromosomes are there, they goes on uncoiling. First, that will prepare itself in the uncoiling. Next, what happens? Nuclear membrane will disappear, and it undergoes coiling. It undergoes coiling, and for the chromosomes, whatever the centrioles are present, that will move in opposite direction. In the same way that we are studying in mitosis. It will move in opposite direction, starts to move in opposite direction, and for the spindle fibers, these spindle fibers starts to move. Which these spindle fibers attached to the chromosome, that is centromere. Yes. The next, in case of metaphase, they will come exact at the center. All these chromosomes comes at the center, and whatever the spindle fibers are there, that will attach to the centromere and starts to pull. In case of anaphase, the whatever the chromosomal arms, that will detach and moves in the opposite direction. Yes. The next, in case of telophase, what happens? In case of anaphase, that will move in opposite direction. And next, what happens in case of telophase? Nuclear membrane starts to form, starts to appear, and whatever the chromosomal arms that will move upward and downward, there starts uncoiling. In the same way that we have studied in the mitosis, here also that is going on. But what happens here? Here, in case of mitotic cell division,